All right, George, I know we were just talking about concerns about the fruit crops because of that freeze overnight, but it sounds like things are going to feel a little bit more spring-like pretty soon.
It's going to go from spring to midsummer, Elena. Be just like that. There's going to be something for everyone in the next about 5 days or so. The only thing we're not going to see is snow, but it's going to be a cold night again tonight. Tomorrow, 13 weather ball is red, so we have a warmer and eventually more humid weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Temperatures this morning down below freezing as predicted, upper 20s here, inland 32, the warm spot along the lakeshore in Muskegon. It's going to get cold tonight again, not as cold as last night, but nonetheless, freeze warning for the inland counties there and a frost advisory along the lakeshore and down south from 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. So you might need to protect those outdoor plants once again. Here are the forecast lows. I think we're going to get to 33 here in Grand Rapids, upper 20s north and mid 30s along the lakeshore. Lots of sunshine today. We had a few high clouds early this morning that thinned on out, but now nice brilliant blue skies across the area with readings up into the mid and even upper 50s away from the lakeshore. A little bit of an onshore breeze keeping you a little bit cooler at the lakeshore. Nonetheless, we're about 5 to as much as 10 degrees warmer this afternoon than yesterday at this time. Beautiful sunshine out there right now, but another cool night. But the high pressure area is now to our east, so our winds are going to actually pick up a little bit towards daybreak. That's why it's not going to get quite as cold. Over the weekend, we're watching a big pattern change. It's going to bring some showers and even some thunderstorms to the area. Nothing here tonight, and we'll see plenty of sunshine during the day tomorrow, but an increase in our clouds throughout the afternoon, and by early evening, we'll see some showers and non-severe thunderstorms rumble on through. There might be a few more during the day on Saturday morning before those move to the east. It's Saturday night into very early Sunday morning that there is a slight risk or a 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather to the north and west of Grand Rapids. We have a 1 out of 5 risk over Grand Rapids to the south and east. We'll be updating that, of course, during the day tomorrow. A long-range outlook from May 1 through 5. High chances that much of the country will stay warmer than average with an equal chance for more or less precipitation. The favored storm track is going to be off to our west. Forecast then for tonight, frost advisory at the lakeshore, low and mid 30s here with that east wind picking up overnight, mainly clear skies. Northern zones, you'll have a freeze warning going into effect at 1 a.m., upper 20s to low 30s. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we have a freeze warning to the east and frost advisory to the west. Overnight lows around 32 to 33. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Saturday with that slight or 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather during the late night hours into early on Sunday. As we hit the upper 70s, it'll also be very humid Saturday and Sunday and a little bit on Monday, kind of windy if not breezy to start our weekend and on Monday. And then we'll have seasonably warm temperatures next week. Chance of some showers next Wednesday night on the 1st of May and again Thursday and again Friday.
All right, George, it seems like things are going to get a little bit warmer as we head into the weekend, so that's some good news, right?
Yeah, I've been forecasting this big warming trend all week, but we have one more night where we may have to put up with some more cold, frosty temperatures. That is tonight. 13 weather ball, though, is blue for the weekend. We have warmer weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And our dog walking forecast tonight featuring Cleo. Dan and Michelle. We've got a green paw this evening with lots of sunshine, temperatures falling from the 50s into the upper 40s after the sun goes down. In the morning, instead of in the low 30s, it'll be in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees. Just a few high clouds coming in at the end of the morning. Almost as much sunshine as we saw today, 8.7 out of a 10-point scale. We got some high clouds coming in late in the afternoon tomorrow. Winds will be up a little bit here tonight and also tomorrow. So a great day to create green energy here in the state of Michigan. Lots of clear skies after just a few high clouds earlier today. They've thinned on out. We've got brilliant blue skies out there right now. Already starting to see some high clouds come in from the west. They're going to take a while to get here. So we have a mostly sunny or mostly cloudy day coming up tomorrow as those high clouds will start to increase, especially later on in the afternoon. High pressure now to our east, so our winds are going to be light, stronger than they were this morning, so that'll keep our temperatures about 5 to 6 degrees warmer than they were last night at this time. But you'll watch lots of clear skies tonight. Some of the high clouds starting to come in during the day tomorrow. Filtered sunshine, and this is by 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. A line of some showers and non-severe thunderstorms rumbling on through. And then in the morning on Saturday, we'll see those storms push to the east. I think the rest of the day will be dry. Now, Saturday night into Sunday, there may be some storms up to our north, so there is a slight risk for some severe weather up in that neck of the woods. As far as our long-range outlook from May 3rd through the 9th, we have a high chance that will continue to be warmer than average in our area, with an equal chance of more or less rainfall. Even during this 8 to 14 day period, the storm track is further to our west. So tonight we have a threat of frost at the lakeshore, low and mid 30s here, with that east wind continuing to pick up all night long. In the inland areas up north, you can expect a freeze warning at 1 a.m. Upper 20s to low 30s. That is warmer than you were last night at this time. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, frost advisory at the lakeshore, freeze warning inland, overnight lows right around freezing. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Saturday with that slight or enhanced or slight risk, 2 out of 5. For the afternoon into the evening hours and overnight, as we hit 78 degrees, very humid as well through Monday. Kind of breezy, especially on Saturday and next Monday. After Monday's showers, we'll see some dry weather Tuesday and Wednesday, some showers Wednesday night on the first day of May into next Thursday, and it will continue to be milder than average all the way into next weekend.
A little bit of weather whiplash right now, George, with the frost overnight to this weekend that looks pretty warm.
From 28 to 82.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, big warm up. Yeah, the cold weather last night was pretty bad for the area fruit growers. We do have another threat of some frost even tonight, but not quite as cold as last night. 13 weather ball is red. A warmer weekend ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Temperatures today a little warmer than yesterday. We made it up so far to 56 here in Grand Rapids. That's our current reading. 59 in Kalamazoo. Not quite our average high of 62. Came within 2 degrees of our forecast high of 58. We've done that at least 7 days in a row now. The reason why we're going to change our weather pattern and get out of this whiplash is the upper level winds always drive the weather patterns. For the last couple of days, it's been a northwest flow, and now it's going to turn around, and wow, is it going to come in from the southwest, bringing not only the warm air up from south, but it's also bringing up all the water off the Gulf of Mexico. So we're going to see clouds, high humidity, showers and thunderstorms starting on Friday evening all the way through Monday. And then this little trough goes through, clears us out for a day or two, and then we have little waves of energy coming through next week. But the overall trend is keeping that colder air further to the north. Even though we have a west-northwest flow later on next week, it is generally coming up from the southwest, so warmer than average temperatures are expected during that time period. Active weather out west, a couple of tornado watches over western Kansas. Some of that active weather will eventually get here in the middle part of the weekend, but right now we've got clear skies overhead. Winds are going to hold up tonight, so I think temperatures are going to be about 5 or 6 degrees warmer than they were last night at this time. You can see clear skies on our hour-by-hour forecast all the way through tomorrow morning. Just a few high clouds coming in, and then they'll thicken up throughout the day, so it'll become mostly cloudy. Between about 6 and 8 o'clock in the evening, we'll see some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder roll on through and on and off during the night. And then we get a little bit of a break on Saturday. Any morning activity will push to the south and east. It is a Saturday night into early Sunday morning where we might see some more active weather, and we'll continue to see that for the 24-hour period after that. Here is the dividing line between the slight risk off to the north and west, with a marginal risk here in West Michigan. That's 1 out of 5. That slight risk could be adjusted as we get closer to that Saturday night event. So stay tuned to the weekend forecast. Forecast for tomorrow, look for mostly cloudy skies. We'll see breezy conditions with a south-southeast wind, mid and upper 60s late in the day, maybe around South Haven, maybe as far north as Holland. You can see some showers before sundown. Most of the day will be dry. Also up north, mid-60s, warmer than today. It'll be breezy with that southeast wind 15 to 20. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, again, dry all day long, mid-60s for your highs. 13 on your side forecast. So we've highlighted Saturday with that slight risk, category 2 out of 5 for the showers and storms. Look at that, upper 70s both Saturday and Sunday now. 676 on Monday, still humid all 3 days, including Monday over the weekend. Sunshine and dry Tuesday and to Wednesday, first day of May. Could be some showers Wednesday night into next Thursday, diminishing on Friday. Next weekend, not as warm as this weekend will be, but nonetheless still warmer than average. Maybe some Sunday showers next weekend. Looking like summer there.
Well, you know, today is the perfect date, right, George?
I guess so.
It's from a movie, but it is a nice day today and tomorrow. And, you know, after that, it should be, you know, warmer going into the weekend. Thanks so much, George.